Welcome to Auto Drive Review. Today we bring you the first official look at the all-new 2026 Shelby expensive modern luxury bus, a masterpiece of design, innovation and comfort that redefines the future of premium travel. This is not just a bus, it is a moving statement of power, technology and sophistication. Shelby, known worldwide for creating legendary performance vehicles, has stepped into the luxury mobility scene with something absolutely extraordinary. The 2026 Shelby luxury bus is designed for those who demand not only transportation but an experience on wheels that matches the highest level of comfort and style. From its bold exterior lines to the elegantly detailed interior, everything about this bus speaks perfection and class. The exterior of the 2026 Shelby bus is where modern aerodynamics meets luxury design. Its structure has been sculpted with precision engineering that looks muscular and sleek at the same time. The front fascia immediately captures your attention with its powerful Shelby emblem resting proudly on the wide front grille, surrounded by high-intensity adaptive LED matrix headlights that flow seamlessly into the aerodynamic body lines. The design language is sharp yet elegant. The chrome accents across the side panels enhance the overall premium look. The body features lightweight aluminum composite construction with carbon fiber elements which not only reduce weight but also increase performance and fuel efficiency. The front bumper comes with an integrated airflow management system and active grille shutters that automatically adjust to improve drag and cooling efficiency. The wide panoramic windshield gives an open, futuristic look, while the smoothly curved sides and sculpted contours give it a stance that feels ready to move even when it's still. The 26-inch alloy wheels designed exclusively for this Shelby model come in diamond cut finish and add to its muscular profile. Every angle of the exterior speaks about aerodynamics, efficiency and power. The rear section continues the aggressive luxury theme with a full-width LED taillight bar that stretches elegantly across the back, adding a futuristic glow. The Shelby nameplate in bold chrome detail leaves a strong impression that this is no ordinary bus. It's an icon of mobility designed for the elite. The second impression that truly takes your breath away is when you step inside the interior. The moment you enter, you're surrounded by an atmosphere of sheer sophistication and advanced technology. The interior of the 2026 Shelby luxury bus feels like a private first-class jet cabin blended with the comfort of a five-star lounge. The ambient lighting flows softly along the edges of the cabin and seats, creating a relaxing mood that can be customized through a digital interface. Passengers are greeted with handcrafted leather upholstery finished in dual-tone shades and stitched with Shelby signature patterns. The spacious cabin layout offers luxury recliner seats that can rotate, tilt and extend with automatic leg rests. Every seat comes with a personal touchscreen infotainment panel, wireless charging pad and personalized air conditioning vent. Even the flooring is lined with premium oak texture vinyl that feels warm and premium. The panoramic glass roof extends from the front to the rear, allowing natural light to fill the cabin and enhancing the feeling of openness. This isn't just transportation, it's an experience designed for those who travel in style. Technology is at the core of this magnificent machine. The Shelby bus features an AI-assisted control system that automatically adjusts lighting, climate and suspension according to the number of passengers and road conditions. The front cabin is futuristic, featuring a digital cockpit with dual 15-inch curved OLED screens that display navigation, vehicle diagnostics and entertainment settings. The driver's seat is electronically adjustable with memory functions, and a 360-degree vision system ensures total visibility even in tight urban areas. It also includes an advanced semi-autonomous driving mode, allowing the driver to relax on long highways with intelligent cruise assist and lane keeping technology. For passengers, there's a 12-speaker Shelby surround audio system tuned by professional engineers to provide crystal clear sound quality. Bluetooth and 5G connectivity ensure continuous access to the internet, while onboard Wi-Fi and smart touch controls make every trip connected and comfortable. The cabin also includes a mini refrigerator, premium cup holders, ambient fragrance system and electronically adjustable curtains for complete privacy. Under the hood, the 2026 Shelby luxury bus hides incredible power. It's equipped with a hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine combined with an electric drive module, producing a total output of 780 horsepower. This powertrain not only delivers exceptional performance but also focuses on efficiency and low emissions. The bus can reach an electronically limited top speed of 210 km per hour, which is astonishing for a vehicle of its class. It accelerates smoothly with instant torque provided by the electric motor, making city travel effortless and highway cruising remarkably silent. The advanced adaptive air suspension system provides a cloud-like ride quality by automatically adjusting damping levels depending on road surfaces. The braking system is powered by carbon ceramic discs, ensuring maximum control and safety even under heavy loads. The 8-speed automatic transmission is tuned for both power and refinement, delivering seamless gear shifts whether you are driving or relaxing inside. The Shelby engineers have ensured that the safety standards are at the top level. This bus is equipped with more than 20 active and passive safety systems, including collision prevention assist, pedestrian detection, side curtain airbags, driver fatigue alert, automatic braking and adaptive steering response. The 360-degree radar and lidar sensors continuously monitor the surroundings, providing unmatched situational awareness for the driver. There's also an intelligent evacuation system that activates emergency exits and lighting in case of sudden impact, making it one of the safest luxury buses ever made. When it comes to comfort, Shelby has gone beyond the limits of traditional design to create an environment that's pure indulgence. Each seat has memory foam cushioning with integrated massagers and temperature controls. Whether you want to work, rest or watch a movie, the cabin adjusts to your mood through voice control or the Shelby Smart app. The noise insulation in this bus is remarkable. Triple-layered acoustic glass and soundproof insulation materials ensure a whisper-quiet ride. Even at high speeds, passengers can easily have a conversation or relax in complete silence. The lighting system has multiple color tones, including sunset mode, relaxation mode and focus mode, allowing customization for every passenger. Storage space has also been designed intelligently. Multiple under-seat compartments, overhead bins and a spacious luggage bay at the rear offer generous room for all belongings. Shelby has introduced an automatic luggage organizer system that scans and arranges the bags evenly to maintain perfect weight balance on the road. The climate control system is fully zoned with 4 different temperature areas so that every passenger can enjoy their preferred comfort level. The air filtration unit uses HEPA-grade purification, ensuring clean and allergen-free air inside the cabin. On the technology side, the Shelby infotainment system supports Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless projection and gesture control for commands. Each seat can connect individually to the system, allowing passengers to choose their own media or join a shared playlist. The OLED touch panels provide real-time data including route information, speed, connectivity status and even outside weather updates. Shelby's cloud system also stores preferred settings for returning passengers, automatically loading lighting and seat positions for familiar comfort. The soundproof doors close with a solid premium feel, while the automatic step system deploys as you approach the bus, making entry and exit effortless. There's even a proximity-based welcome animation that lights up the Shelby logo on the ground when the passenger approaches, giving a sense of personalized luxury. The rear lounge section is designed for executive meetings or family travel with foldable tables, LED ambient panels and hidden storage spaces. The glass dividers can turn opaque instantly at the touch of a button, giving complete privacy whenever required. The panoramic roof comes with electronic dimming control that adjusts brightness automatically based on sunlight. In terms of performance and driving, Shelby's engineering delivers absolute mastery. The advanced hybrid setup not only improves acceleration but also provides smooth regenerative braking, capturing energy back into the battery for later use. The electric mode alone gives a range of about 180 kilometers, ideal for city operations, while the combined hybrid range extends well over 1,000 kilometers, making it perfect for intercity and tourism purposes. Fuel efficiency remains impressive for such a large and powerful vehicle thanks to optimized aerodynamics, low drag coefficient and intelligent engine management. The chassis is built using high-strength steel and lightweight aluminum frame, ensuring both rigidity and flexibility to absorb vibrations and maintain stability. The bus handles corners with surprising agility due to active torque vectoring, which distributes power to the wheels that need it. The steering is electronic and speed adaptive, providing light feedback in cities and precision at high speeds, ensuring that every drive feels secure and confident. Shelby has focused heavily on sustainability too. The 2026 model comes with eco-friendly materials across the cabin, including recyclable fabrics and bio-leather alternatives made from plant-based fibers. The exterior paint uses water-based low VOC formulas, ensuring minimal environmental impact. This combination of luxury, performance and sustainability sets a new benchmark in the automotive world, making the Shelby luxury bus an icon for the future. Now let's talk about the most anticipated part, the price. The 2026 Shelby expensive modern luxury bus is expected to start around $720,000 for the standard configuration and can go up to nearly $1 million for the fully loaded Elite Edition with custom interiors and exclusive features. This pricing clearly positions it among the most premium buses in the world, but considering the unmatched technology, craftsmanship and performance it offers, the price seems justified. This bus isn't just for transportation, it's for those who want to make a statement, those who value every moment of their journey and those who believe that travel should be as memorable as the destination itself. The Shelby 2026 luxury bus is a result of years of innovation and perfection, a symbol of future mobility where luxury meets performance and sustainability. Whether it's city travel, business transport, or private touring, this bus has everything to deliver an unmatched experience. It combines the heart of a performance car, the comfort of a luxury suite, and the intelligence of modern AI systems into one breathtaking creation. With this model, Shelby has proven once again that it can break boundaries and redefine automotive excellence. So viewers, if you are passionate about cutting-edge design, futuristic comfort, and the ultimate expression of luxury on wheels, the 2026 Shelby expensive modern luxury bus is your dream machine. This is where innovation meets imagination and where every detail tells a story of craftsmanship and prestige. From the elegant curves on its exterior to the serene atmosphere inside, from the roaring yet refined power under the hood to the silent glide of its movement, Shelby has built something that stands beyond comparison. This is more than a vehicle, it is the beginning of a new era in luxury transportation. Thanks for watching Auto Drive Review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing first looks at the latest luxury cars and buses around the world. See you in the next video where we explore another masterpiece of automotive excellence.